Google just made AI completely free, and most people have no idea how powerful this actually is. What if I told you that you can now generate images, create videos, build websites with code, convert text into realistic voiceovers, and even talk to AI in real time without paying a single dollar? Yes, Google has quietly launched powerful free AI tools inside Google AI Studio and Notebook LM. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what you get and how you can start using them right now. If you're a content creator, student, teacher, freelancer, marketer, or someone who simply wants to use AI to save time and make money online, this video is going to be extremely valuable for you. So stay with me till the end because the last tool I'll show you can even generate ready-to-upload videos. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Click on the official link of Google AI Studio. Log in using your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the home page, you will see different options available. You can click on Playground, or on the top right-hand side, there is a drop-down menu. Hover over it and click on Try Gemini 3.1 Pro. Inside this interface, you'll notice that Google is offering multiple powerful free AI features for free. You'll see categories like featured, code, reasoning and chat, image generation, video generation, text-to-speech, and real-time. In this video, I will explore some of the most useful free AI tools that can immediately help you create content, automate work, and increase productivity. Let's begin with image generation. Click on Image Generation and choose Nano Banana. On the right-hand side panel, you will find the aspect ratio settings. By default, it is set to auto, but you can change it according to your needs and the platform where you want to post the image. For example, if you are creating a YouTube thumbnail or landscape image, you can choose 16:9. If you are creating Instagram content, you might select 1:1 or 4:5. I'm going to select the 16:9 ratio. Now go to the prompt box and paste your image prompt. If you struggle with writing prompts, you can take help from ChatGPT to generate detailed and high-quality prompts. The better your prompt, the better your image result will be. After entering your prompt, click on the Run button. Within seconds, Google's AI will generate a high-quality image for you. You can download the image and use it for YouTube thumbnails, blog posts, advertisements, social media posts, product listings, and much more. Here's something even more powerful. If you want to create a product image for advertising, you can upload your product photo and then write a prompt asking the AI to place the product in different background styles. For example, you can ask it to place a perfume bottle on a luxury marble table with soft golden lighting, or you can place a smartwatch in a futuristic tech environment. This is extremely useful for freelancers, dropshippers, and digital marketers who want professional-looking ads without hiring expensive designers. Now let's move to the next powerful free AI tool, which is Real-Time. Click on Real-Time, and here you will see three options: Talk, Webcam, and Share Screen. If you choose Talk, you can directly have a voice conversation with Gemini AI. You can speak your questions, and it will respond verbally. This is very useful if you want quick help without typing. The second option is Webcam. You can turn on your computer's webcam and show objects, notes, diagrams, or documents. Gemini can see what you show and respond accordingly. This is extremely helpful for students solving math problems, teachers explaining concepts, or even product demonstrations. The third option is Share Screen. You can share your screen and ask for help in real time. Suppose you are stuck while editing a video, designing a website, or writing code. You can share your screen and ask Gemini for guidance. You can also upload an image and ask the AI to analyze it. For example, you can upload a thumbnail and ask for improvement suggestions, or upload an image and ask it to generate a prompt to convert that image into a video. Now let's talk about code generation. Come back to the Playground interface. On the right-hand side panel, scroll down a little. You will find a toggle for code execution. Turn it on. Now, in the command prompt box, type something like, "Give me the HTML code for a college timetable." Click on Run. Within seconds, Gemini will generate the complete HTML code. You can click on Download. Once the file is downloaded, open it in your browser and you will see the output. This is extremely powerful for students, teachers, developers, and even beginners who are learning programming. You can generate HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and other programming codes instantly. You can also ask it to debug errors in your code. Simply paste your code and ask it to fix the errors. This can save hours of frustration. Now let's explore another powerful free AI feature, which is audio generation. Click on Gemini Flash Preview TTS, then choose Single Speaker Audio. You can change the style instructions if you want a specific tone, like professional, friendly, energetic, or calm. Now, type the text you want to convert into audio in the text box. After that, choose the voice you like from the available voice list. Click on Run. Within seconds, the AI will generate realistic voice audio. You can preview it.
The future belongs to those who learn AI today.
If you like the result, download it to your computer. This is extremely useful for YouTube creators, podcast creators, educators, and marketers who want high-quality voiceovers without recording their own voice. Now, let's move on to one of the most exciting tools, which is Notebook LM. Open your browser and search for Google Notebook LM. Click on the official link of Notebook LM and log in. On the home page, click on Create New. In the Source section, you can type a topic like AI Psychology Video and click Submit. Notebook LM will fetch relevant sources from the web. You can also upload your own files, websites, PDFs, or even YouTube URLs as sources. This is extremely useful if you want the AI to generate content based on your own research or study material. Click on Import. Once Notebook LM analyzes the sources, you will see options on the right-hand side panel. Click on Video. You can choose the format and visual style. You can keep the Auto Select Style option or choose something specific based on your preference. Click on Generate. It may take a little time to generate the video. Once the video is ready, you can preview it.
You know, whenever we talk about AI, it's always about the code, right? The data, the processors. But what if the most important part of the whole equation isn't the machine at all?
This video can be uploaded directly to YouTube as an explainer video, educational presentation, or informational content. Imagine creating educational videos, business explainers, and psychology videos without recording yourself on camera. This is a massive opportunity for faceless YouTube channels. Now let's understand what this really means. Google is giving you image generation, real-time AI interaction, coding assistance, text-to-speech, and AI-powered video generation, all for free. This is not just a small update, this is a complete content creation ecosystem. If you're a student, you can use it to learn faster. If you're a teacher, you can create teaching materials and presentations quickly. If you're a YouTuber, you can generate thumbnails, scripts, voiceovers, and even full videos. If you're a freelancer, you can offer AI-powered services to clients. And if you're someone looking to build an online income stream, these tools can help you automate content creation and scale faster. The best part is that you don't need expensive software subscriptions. You just need a Google account. AI is moving very fast, and those who learn to use these tools early will have a massive advantage. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Vision Academy, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss powerful AI tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.